everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. In today's video, I just wanted to show you some projects that I worked on last week. I didn't post any videos last week because I have a lot going on behind, like in my craft room. We are getting ready to go home. We go to Virginia the 4th of July, and I have a lot of gifts that I'm taking in to people. And I needed to get those done, and as well as, let me show you really quick, just a quick sneaky peek. I am finishing this up. I still haven't finished it completely. I mean, I've got almost everything done in it. It's turned out so pretty, but this, look how thick this is. There is a video on making this album. I'll link it below, but I took you through step by step on how to make this giant album. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures in it. It's a beast. But I'm going to finish this up, and I am going to do a video of a complete walkthrough, and this video will be scheduled to go up next week while I'm in Virginia, because Melody will actually have this in her hands because I wanted to take it in person. So I have that going on right now, trying to finish that up. And I've made a lot of things, books and pages, and just, I took last week to kind of play. And I am going to be doing a mini album. I want to do a beach mini album. We talked about this. But I'll be honest with you, I'm probably not going to start that until I get back. It depends on how tomorrow goes. If tomorrow goes well and I get the big album, the wedding album, completely finished, I may go ahead and make the beach album. It won't be decorated, but I might construct it. But we'll have to see how that goes. So no promises. I'll see what I can do. Okay, so let me show you something fun. I've done a lot. I really did a lot of crafting for myself last week. Gifts and just things that I wanted to get done. And the first thing I did is I got my Miss Kate's Cuttables monthly kit. This is the June kit. Now, I don't have the front sheet because I used it. The great thing about her paper, the front sheet, like the title sheet, shows everything. When you flip it over, it's actually a piece of pattern paper. And that is so cool. Now, I have quite a bit of the scraps left in here. I don't know if I did a walkthrough of this paper. It's so pretty. If you like beachy paper or, exotic paper, this is so pretty this month. You got that sheet left, so I have enough to do. Look at that. To me, you just put a picture on that and you're done with it, but look at the back, how pretty. So you get so much in her paper. And there's that. That was my favorite sheet right here. This is the only thing I got left of it, and I love it. This is like water, and then on the back you have these gorgeous polka dots. Look at the turtles. So I have plenty of paper here to work with. These are the cut apart sheets, and there's the pinks. Oh, isn't this so pretty? And you know what? I lied. I do have it. This is Fun in the Sun. I thought I used it. Look. See, it's got the palm trees on the back. Then you have the checkered and the waves, the pink flamingos. How cute is this? All right, so this is the Fun in the Sun, and this is the June kit from Miss Kate's Cuttables. I will link this below. Anything that I can link below, I will. I'm not affiliated with her, but I love her, and I love her kits, and I do get these every month. They're such a great value. So let me show you what I made with this. All right, you've heard me talk about Your Book of Memories. Frances, she runs Your Book of Memories. It's an online group. She has a YouTube channel, this is where you can find this tutorial, but she also has a paid group, and we do a lot of things in that paid group, and I love her. I've been a part of her group for several years now, and I have such a fun project coming in a couple of weeks. I've never done anything like this. I'm a little nervous, but I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it with her paper. She has a new paper collection, and actually, I'll show you that if I have it handy. Let's see. You know what? I don't have it handy. So, that'll be a different video. I'll show you everything that we're going to use. It's going to be really cool, but we're going to do a recipe / junk journal type book for the kitchen, and I want to use her paper to do that. So, but this little book here is such a cute book, and this is a free tutorial on her YouTube page. I will link it below, because if you like to make mini albums, this is such a great one to make. You can sit down, have this done in a day. I literally sat down, and it just took me a couple of hours, probably. I don't even know if it took me that long. I built the album, and I decorated the album and everything. So this is a gift for some family members back home, but it opens up right here. Look how pretty this paper is. Oh, I love it. And there's a 4x6 photo frame in here. It's 4¼ by 6¼ so Jessica can just put a picture there. And I did this little tag insert, and here's some pictures. This is a booklet. Now, I did change the sizing on this just a little bit as far as the books were concerned. I made mine a little bit bigger. This is a flip out, and this is Jessica's family. They actually got to come down here last year for a little vacation. Look how pretty this is. And this is a place where she can journal in. And again, this is just a booklet. These are so fun and so easy. And you just insert it in that pocket, and this is a place for her to write everything down. I added this. This is just, I love doing this with cut-aparts. I just got washi tape. I did glue the washi tape in. I didn't just use the washi tape, but look at that. I just think that adds a layer and some visual interest to it, and I love it. And there's the little flip. And you open this up, and in here you have a pocket where you can, it's a deep pocket too. And I made another book and another frame, a 4x6 just photo piece of paper where they could put photos on. And I thought it would be good for her to have a few places to put her photos in, because she might have different ones than what I had. Yeah, this was so fun to make. I love it. I think it's just so pretty. Look at the back. That was my favorite paper. I loved it. Loved it. Okay, so I did that. All right. Next, I have Simple Stories. This is Simple Vintage Woodland. This is stunning, 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 stunning. I love it. This is the Solids Simple Vintage Woodland paper. It's 6 pieces. I'm trying to find the, there we go. I did do a haul video on this, I'm pretty sure. Look at these papers. Look at these papers. So, what did I do with this? I made a folio with my class that I'm in with May. Yes, I do a lot of classes because I love them. So let me show you the folio real quick. And I'm taking this in for my soon-to-be daughter-in-law. She fell in love with this. So I don't have it decorated yet. Look how pretty. I love using cut-aparts like this. I love making flips with cut-aparts, but look at this paper. I love this. But I'm going to let her decorate this. I'm going to give her stickers and everything. This is a pocket. But notice the paper. This is what I love about using a collection of paper. Whenever you buy a collection, whether it's Simple Stories, whatever it is, it's a paper pack or a paper pad. All those papers are made to go together. You don't have to think about it. You know that they go together. So, and I use very little paper in this. It looks like I used a lot, but because of the size of the album, I was able to take and use a 12 by 12 in multiple places. If you notice, I have the mushroom here, right? And when you open this up, I bring the mushroom over here. So I love this. This is a pocket. And this right here is flips. This is a waterfall. And I use magnets for this waterfall. So I have magnets on the back of each one of these. So I didn't have to use any kind of ribbon or anything. I wanted to do just a clean closure. And all these are pockets. So I can go back and put stuff in here for Beth, which I will do. But isn't this so pretty? So I did this. Love this paper. Love this paper. Wherever I can find this, I'll link it. It put me in the mood for fall. Isn't that crazy? Like it's 110 degrees here and I'm thinking about fall. Then I got the Simple Stories page kit. I've never bought the page kit, and was on Frank Garcia's website. I do a lot of shopping with him. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this because I am a 12 by 12 scrapbooker. I don't show a lot of that on the channel, but I'm going to. I have an idea. But I wanted to see how easy this was to be put together. And, oh, it came together so easy. And look how stunning these are. All right, let me get the first layout. Look at this. There's the first layout. Isn't that pretty? Here's the second one. All the layering of all the ephemera and the stickers. And it's 12 by 12. And when you put it in side by side, they go together. So if you have a 12 by 12 album, they really, like, it just meshes really good, the flow of it. So there's two. Here's the third one. Let's explore. Look how pretty that is. Oh, and there's this one. And these are made. All I have to do is add my photos. And when we get back from vacation, I'm sure I'll have photos that I can add to these. So I did this as well. Guys, I was busy. So I did this. All right. The next thing I did, I am in a folio swap with a group with May May. And I know a lot of the Made It's watch this. So this is the actual folio that's being sent in for the swap. When you watch this, it's probably already going to be in the mail. But I use Doodlebug. And let me show you. You remember this book that we did. This is a mini album that I did. Like a stacked, I called it a stacked mini album. I did this on camera. I do have videos on this. It's so pretty. And this is the same paper, the Doodlebug. I think it's Butterfly Kisses. I don't think I did this right, but that's okay. So I took what I had left and I made this. So it's Life is Beautiful. And that's a cut apart. And I added some physical cut aparts to the cut apart. So I added ephemera to the cut apart. Okay, so it goes in like this. Oh, isn't this beautiful? And then it folds out. This I added. This is something that I added to it. And it's just a place to put more pictures because this has so much room in it. Aren't the colors beautiful? That right there is just a little pocket. And I put 3 by 4. And I use the sheet. You know that sheet that you have all the strips on it? And a lot of times you don't know what to do with it. I thought it was a gorgeous background. So that's how I use that. Here we go. And this is just ready for whoever gets it to add the photos. And here's this. And that flips over. And then you have this side and this opens. Look how pretty. Enjoy the little things. Happy. And these are flips where they can put whatever they want in it. My favorite part of this book is this middle section right here. So you have this section and it opens up, right? So you have that. Then you have this pocket. And this pocket I filled with stickers and just all the stuff from the sticker sheet. So whoever gets this can use these stickers to decorate. So that's the main reason that I chose this style of folio, because I wanted to use this pocket for that. And look at this, how pretty. This is all the die cuts, just a bunch of die cuts. And it's all opened. Let's see here. All this is opened. So they just got to maneuver it a little bit. But a 4 by 4 will go right in this. All this is opened up. So, yeah. See that? So whenever you get it, you can just take it and that opens. You just got to maneuver the picture in it, but it will maneuver. I did one. I just don't want to do it here, but I did do one and it fit perfect. So that was my favorite part. So this, again, is the folio that is going into the swap. And yeah, I hope whoever gets it likes it. All right, so I did that. What else? Okay. And then I finished this. See, I told you I was busy, guys. I was busy. This is a class that Lisa Wise Designs did. Look how cute. I love this. This is so cute. And she does have an Etsy page. If she's got any more of the kits, I'll link it. But she's definitely got the digital download. This is such a cute album. This is a Simple Stories collection. I don't remember what the collection was though. Look how cute. Look at the chickens, guys. Look at the chickens. Now, I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this yet. This opens up and out. I love all the cleverness. You guys know that I love the flips, the flops, and all that. Look at this. Isn't that so fun? So, and that goes under. So you can go, it's a belly band, and then it flips. And this goes this way, and that goes that way, and this goes this way. Nope, I lied. Like that. And then you use this to shut it. It's pretty cool, huh? And that is on the front cover. So it's got two signatures, two places. So one on the front cover. Then you have this middle little piece, and this opens up. Look how pretty. Place for photos. And then there's a pocket. And then the back. There we go. And there we go. It opens up like this, same as the other. It mirrors it. And then this opens. Look how pretty. Look at this. Look at that, how pretty. Look at that chicken. Here we go. And that is like a belly band. So this opens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then a belly band right here. Is there something under that? No. Oh, it's a book. I wondered. Gosh, I forgot what I did. This is just a little book. So you put that right there. Now, and then I did that. Isn't that cute? Guys, look at that. I love it. I love the little frog. So, look at everything that I did last week. Seriously, look at all this. And then this. Look at all this. I was so busy. If you could see the mess behind me, but that's okay. It's a fun mess. All right, I will link the videos to any of this that I can link. The products, whatever I can find, I'll link below. You have to go check out Frances, Your Book of Memories. This is an amazing little book. It's such an easy book. If you're a beginner and you found me and you're just learning how to do mini albums, you need to check this mini album. It's so cute. Again, Lisa Wise, she does beautiful work as well. She does have the tutorial for all this on her channel, but the cutting guide is on Etsy. So I will link the cutting guide for this. Okay? All right. Gosh, I'm proud of myself, y'all. Like, seriously. Look at all this. Look. I love this. Look at all that. I'm so proud of myself. All right. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful 4th of July next week. This video goes up on, I think I'm going to put it up on Tuesday. I'm going to try my hardest to have a video for Saturday. It just depends on how the week goes, but we'll definitely have one up next week. The one for next week will be, that's the week I'm on vacation, it will be the walkthrough of the wedding book that is coming, and the beach album is coming as well. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful good day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And to all those who are subscribed and come back and watch and enjoy these videos, I really appreciate you. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.